Hello, welcome. We're going to be looking at Bece 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 20. Bece 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 20. Convection is relevant in all these except convection is relevant in all these except A. Car radiator, B. Domestic hot water supply, C. Electric iron, and D. Wind system of the world. Now I want us to understand the meaning of convection. What convection simply means. Now, convection, 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 convection is a form of heat transfer. Is a form of what? Form of heat transfer. Convection is a form of heat transfer, whereby what heat is transferred from a hot region to a cooler region, and this convection it occur mostly in fluids, that's your liquid and your gases. So it occur mostly in fluids. Now convection is like it's a form of heat transfer whereby heat is transferred from a hotter region to a cooler region, and it occur mostly in what? In fluid, that's your gases and liquid like water. Now they say convection is relevant in all these except a car radiator. Now in a car radiator system, in a radiator, what happens? You notice that the hot air in the hot air are being what? Are blown outside. The hot air are blown outside. The hot air are blown outside, while the cooler air what? Are blown inside. Now the cooler air in the surrounding will be blown inside the car, but the hot air now from the car will be blown outside. That's in terms of what? Car radiator. So car radiator is relevant. Convection is relevant in car radiator. Now domestic hot water supply. In hot water supply, in your hot water supply, you notice that when you are boiling water, you apply heat what? From the bottom. Now as the heat is going from the bottom, what happens? The heat begins to spread from the bottom. It begins to get to the top through the what? Through the fluid. So it's also a form of what? It's a form of convection. It's also a form of convection. It's a form of convection. Now your electric iron, the principle behind electric iron now is not convection. Instead, electric iron undergoes what? Conduction, because conduction is a transfer of heat what? Through intervening medium, that's by heating a medium. Now when you heat this when this electric iron is being heated up, the heat is being transferred what? Through the solids, that's which is the metal. So electric iron does not undergo what? Convection. Instead, it undergoes what? Conduction. Now the wind system of the world, definitely you notice that when there's a hot wind, the wind begins to blow from the hotter side to the cooler what? To the cooler region, and this is what? Convection. So car radiator undergoes convection. Domestic water supply also exhibits conduction. Electric iron does not exhibit convection. It exhibits what? Conduction. And wind system of the world exhibits what? Convection. So our answer here is C, which is what? Electric iron. Electric iron does not undergo or does not apply the principle of what? Convection. Instead, it applies the principle of conduction. So C is our answer, electric iron. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.